welcome back to the channel. I am on my way to one of my favorite steakhouses, Tuscany Steakhouse. So the cake deal is away. I figured I'd go have myself a steak. And the cool thing about it is I don't have to lock my bike up outside. I can park it right in my work bike room. We have a bike room at work for anyone who rides their bike in. It's pretty cool. And since I work right near Tuscany Steakhouse, I can park it there and then walk up a couple blocks. A lot of e-bikes getting stolen lately, so you know, I'd rather walk a couple blocks and have my bike get jacked and save a little bit of money. I don't have to put it in a parking garage. Yeah, most people don't realize that you can actually use the parking garages here if you want to store your bike. You don't want to lock it up outside. Most I ever paid was like $7 for, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. So cheap. You do need to bring a lock with you though, because most times they just have a little rack for you to lock it up with, and you know, unless you have a lock, it's just going to be sitting there. Anyone with a car can just grab it. So what I like to do when I go to Tuscany Steakhouse by myself is I usually get either the burger, which is awesome, really nice steakhouse burger, thick patty, great cheese melt on it, a little bit of dry age, great bun, nice and simple. Or I get the Cajun strip steak, nice medium rare cook, broiled on both sides. That seasoning really makes a great seared crust on the outside edges. It adds a little bit of character to that aged flavor, and I usually try to get it with charred lemon if they have any. That really makes it pop. Squeeze a little bit of that over the nice medium rare steak, and it just really tastes amazing. you haven't checked out my review of Tuscany Steakhouse, it's on my website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. You can read the written review with all the awesome photos, or you can watch my video review of it, which is right here on my YouTube channel under the reviews playlist. Alright, here we are, pulling up to the bike room. Just a couple streets up from here. Walk it. Looking forward to this steak. Alright, here we are. My home away from home. Tuscany Steakhouse. Good timing. Enjoy. Thank you.
To be completely honest, I almost did that as well.
Thank you.
Man, that's fucking loud. That really hit the spot. I don't know if my audio is even gonna fucking pick up, but that was perfect. Amazing.
I love you so much.
Delicious steakhouse meal. Now I'm gonna go take a nap. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your grandma.